dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I am 37. I do keto hauls, which is what we're doing today. Vlogs, meal preps, reviews, all the things keto. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy, fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love the clicky clickies. That's a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow, helps me get out into the YouTube universe so I can meet more amazing people like you. So I went to Walmart and Aldi today, so I'm gonna show you what I got that is perfectly keto friendly from these 2 stores. All right, so first I had to get this when we were in line. It's a cherry Coke Zero. I have only had 2 cups of coffee today. It is now 5 o'clock. I've also only eaten 1 hard-boiled egg and 2 panino fingers today. So needless to say, I'm a little hungry. I needed some more pure. This is the only stevia that I can eat now. This is it. So I like this. It doesn't have the cooling effect. I got a pack of that from Walmart. I get this butter from Aldi. This is very comparable to Kerrygold butter. This is the pure Irish butter. It tastes just like it for a fraction of the price. I got this holy guacamole at Walmart. I'm just in the mood for some guacamole. Maybe I'll dip some pork rinds into that. After I went to Smoothie King the other day, I really wanted to try to recreate that. So I got myself some blueberries and some strawberries. These are both from Aldi. I got myself a bag of pepperoni because I am going to be trying to do kind of carnivore next week. So got some pepperoni for some lunches at Walmart. I picked this spicy Italian dry salami up from Aldi, as well as this roast beef from Aldi, which, if I remember correctly, serving size is 6 slices for 0 carbs. And I also picked up the smoked uncured ham, which I think is 1 carb, 2 carbs for 4 slices. So got that. I got 2 packs of bacon from Aldi because I need this for something. I can't remember what, but I needed this for some sort of recipe. You can never go wrong with bacon. I needed some pork rinds to make some breading, so I got the jumbo, and then I like the barbecue. Now this is perfectly keto friendly. This is just ingredients: fried pork skins and salt. However, this has a lot more ingredients, and yes, it may not be for you. It does have maltodextrin in it, but you have to make your choices. Those are both from Walmart. I got this unsweetened vanilla almond milk from Aldi. I got some ranch from Walmart. I actually got this at Aldi. This Khalifa Farms toasted coconut and almond milk blend. And I'm going to use this for the smoothie because this is actually what they use in Smoothie Kings. So this is 1 total carb, 1 fiber, so 0 net carbs for this. So I'm excited to try that. I got this at Walmart. This is the Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. Now their little packets actually have like 1 carb. This has 0 carbs. So got some of that. Got some heavy whipping cream. This is got some heavy whipping cream. Not too bad. Usually I don't get this brand, but Tiffany got that one for me. That was from Walmart. I got the Walmart sour cream because it's only 1 carb. Got some Brussels sprouts from Aldi, some baby carrots from Aldi, broccoli from Aldi, 4 packs of cream cheese from Walmart. I believe these are 80 cents right now. 2 massive things of chicken breasts from Aldi, $9 and $8. You can't go wrong with these. These are good, and I have a lot of recipes that I'm doing this week with those. Got some thick and chunky salsa, 1 carb for this. This is from Walmart. I needed some chicken broth, picked that up from Walmart. Also some distilled white vinegar as well as apple cider vinegar, also from Walmart. Don't mind the frosted flakes. Got some 2 packs of the Chunk Light tuna and water from Walmart, as well as this nice big thing of pickles from Walmart. I got some creamy almond butter from Walmart. Mild diced tomatoes for the chili that I make from Walmart. Some chunk chicken breast from Walmart. Some carrots, radish, and celery from Aldi, as well as a nice big Caesar salad kit. I'll just remove the croutons or let the kids have the croutons. This was from Walmart. And then Aldi had this, which I was kind of intrigued about. They have this bone broth in this nice jar, and 0 carbs, chicken broth, water, concentrated chicken. I mean, it's pretty legit. So I got 2 of those. They only had chicken. They did not have any beef, but some of them were different colors, and these ones looked pretty nice. So I got those, and I think that is all of the keto friendly things that I got for the week. So that's all. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.